viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing you how to make Nordic style salmon soup. It's a very traditional Nordic dish. Hope you will enjoy. So let's get started. To make this dish, the ingredients we need are chopped salmon, carrot, potato, leek, fresh coriander or dill, water, heavy cream, oil, salt, and spices that you prefer. First of all, take a fresh pot and heat in medium temperature. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Throw some chopped leek and fry for 40 seconds. After that, throw some chopped carrot and fry it for 2 minutes. Add some potato, stir all the ingredients. After 2 minutes, add 3 cups of water. Instead of water, you can use seafood stock or fish stock. Then cover the pot for 10 minutes. After that, throw some cubed salmon. Cover the pot for another 5 minutes. Add 1 cup of heavy cream, stir it, add some spices you prefer. Here I used black pepper. Finally, throw some coriander or dill and again cover it for 10 seconds. This is how you can make Nordic salmon soup. You can enjoy it with or without bread.